Healthy sleeping is important as it boosts the immune system, improves memory, metabolism, physical strength, and overall energy. Well, these are some of the reasons why you might have difficulty sleeping. First, we have mental health, and more than 70% of people with mental health disorders experience sleeping difficulties. These disorders include mania, and mania usually occurs in bipolar patients who exhibit two polarities, which is mania and depression. In the mania state, one has extreme energy, euphoria, and excitement. They do not feel tired, therefore experience difficulty sleeping. Psychosis also causes difficulty maintaining sleep, as one may hear voices or have vivid dreams that may be frightening during sleep. Post-traumatic stress disorder is usually accompanied also by scary dreams and thoughts, especially at night, which may make it difficult to initiate and even maintain sleep. Having anxiety may also cause one to have difficulties initiating sleep, as having anxiety causes one to have racing thoughts and worries. This makes it difficult for one to sleep. Depression has also been associated with sleeping disorders. With depression, one may either experience oversleeping or difficulty initiating sleep due to the troubling thoughts associated with the depressive state. Another major cause of difficulty sleeping is age. Age affects sleep. As one gets older, they sleep less deeply and even need less sleep. This explains why the more older people tend to be, the earlier they wake up. Some older people may have medical conditions such as diabetes, which makes them feel like they need to go to the toilet at night several times. After this, going back to sleep may be difficult. Your environments also play a major role in your ability to sleep. Environmental surroundings that are comfortable, relaxed, and safe ensure for proper sleeping. Being at a place that is either too cold, too hot, too dirty, or even too noisy may affect your ability to initiate or maintain sleep. Sleeping in a strange place that you're not used to may also affect your ability to sleep. Being stressed and worried may affect your sleeping patterns and even may cause difficulty sleeping. And with stress, women are more affected by stress-induced sleeping disorders than men. What happens is that there is increased and prolonged release of the stress hormones, which include noradrenaline, adrenaline, and cortisol. These hormones put the body in a constant fight or flight state, which makes it difficult to relax and sleep. Also, being in constant pain makes it difficult for you to sleep. Sleep complaints are present in up to 88% of people with chronic pain. Research has also demonstrated that disrupted sleep worsens pain. So the pain makes it difficult to initiate and maintain sleep. Some of these conditions include chronic migraines, cancer, chronic lower back pains, tension headaches, arthritis, and many other painful chronic conditions. Changing your sleeping routine may also cause sleeping difficulties as it disrupts your sleeping cycle. This commonly happens with working adults, and it's due to change in working shifts as they may have to alternate between the daytime shifts and the night shifts. Ingesting drugs and other central nervous system stimulants increases your mental activity, making it difficult to initiate sleep. This includes the use of amphetamines, cocaine, caffeine, and other stimulants before bedtime.